first factory was, I think, 1,500 square foot, this is now about 89,000 square foot. So it's about 60 times bigger, 60x of the first factory in 2007.
I get a call in the office and they say, we are a company in India and we make pipe support system. So I then told them, okay, listen, I'll send some samples across to you guys and then we see how it goes.
Once upon a time, the Hirandanis, the Pandayas and the Walraven, they had a dream. And they built a dream based on relation and trust. And out of that dream, and I think the plot was somewhere bought there in 2017, 18, then the journey started.
This is just the start of DBS. Maybe in a couple of years, maybe 2-3 years, we will have a new opening. Next plot is there. It is empty. We can buy and we can just dream of it.